My main thing is always gonna be going to insurance first. Like, we don't realize it, we've been burned so much by insurance, we just wanna cover that right away, but by going to insurance first, we're just setting up the expectation that that's important to us, and we're missing the opportunity to really get to know the patient.
Perfect. I have another one here for you. How do we get our teams on board when discussing implementing AI in the practice?
Yeah, that's a good one. So I would suggest that you start very vulnerable and very open with your team to say, hey, AI is new. There's a lot of people who are worried about the term AI. It just sounds like it's everywhere now, right? But honestly, what I would suggest is lean away from AI and let's talk about technology because it's just a technology. It's just a new technology, right? So, I mean, it's been around for a long time, but it's new to us. So having the conversation to say, "Hey, we wanna integrate more technology into the practice. What are some things in your day, your job that you don't love doing? What are some things that you if you could get more time back in your day, you would spend doing instead of what you're doing?" And then let's look at the technologies available, the AI that's available to help take off some of that busy work so you have more time back in your day. But really, I think it's important to start the conversation now because AI is here. It's not 100% perfect. It's not everywhere in the practice, but it's coming. And if we don't start having those conversations now, you're not behind, but you will be in a year from now if you don't start to implement some of that now. So I think being open and vulnerable as a team and just talking through it, I think is the first good first step.
That's a great point. And I think when the term AI comes up, there's this really common misconception that it's going to replace your job, right? And that ties into our next question is where do you think the human side of communication still matters most? And why is it important that we convey that to our team members?
Yeah. So the human side of communication is more vital than ever, I believe. And also biggest challenge that we have in the dental office because a lot of our humans are not great at being human. A lot of our humans are they hide behind the busy work because we as an industry, we've always just been busy, right? Everyone's busy. We're all busy. We all have stuff to do. And so if I give AI the busy work, now what does that mean for me? And like you just said, like, am I going to get replaced? I'm hoping a lot of people are feeling now you won't get replaced. But what does this mean for me? It means you have to be more human. And so the soft skills are really what I would lean into this year with your team. Like, having them be better on the phones, having hard conversations, being able to hold a hand with the patient when they're scared and be there for them, have conversations with the patients that matter, treatment plan presentations, right? These are the things that AI is going to supplement as a tool to help us, but it's not going to, the human aspect isn't going to go away. So your team may push back on AI, one, because they think it's AI and robots and all that. And two, it might be because if AI takes the busy work, what happens to me? And really understanding that yes, some of your employees may not be good at some of these things, right? Especially our newer generation, they're not good at having some face-to-face conversations, and that's where we really can lean in now and help our humans be better at those type things